Hi, this is Mrs. Gochin, the Media Specialist at William Innan Middle School. In this video, we will review the keyword planning skills and searching techniques that will help you to be successful in finding good articles from the chosen databases for your 7th grade Language Arts Teen Issues Research Project. Before we begin, just a reminder that the WAMS Research Guide is an online website with video clips, research tools, and tips for all the steps and skills involved in doing research. It's available to you, and you can find it by Googling WAMS Research Guide or going to the WAMS Media Center Resources page and clicking on the WAMS LibGuides link in the center of the screen. This is a very useful resource, so take advantage of it. Now, let's review keyword planning and strategies. When doing online research, whether in databases or on the web, it's all about the keywords. Good descriptive keywords will get you to much better results and save you a lot of time in your research. Recall that the strategies are: describe the information you are looking for, no little words like the, and don't phrase your searches in the form of questions. Neither databases nor Google search engine effectively search with questions. You don't get the best results. Another strategy is identify synonyms or different forms of words and use quotation marks around well-known phrases. Here's an example list of possible keyword searches for my topic example, which is teens and drugs. The two essential questions I have about this topic are: what are the issues with teens using drugs, and what are the harmful effects of teenage drug abuse? Notice that all of these searches have descriptive keywords, don't contain any little words, and the searches are not phrased as questions. The first two examples show use of a synonym of a word from the first search to the second search. I replaced teen with teenager. So if I searched a database using the first search keywords, teen drug use, and didn't get any good results, I could then try again using the second search set of keywords, teenager drug use, and then see if I could get better results. I did a similar thing with the next two keyword searches. I replaced the word use with the word abuse. Now, normally use and abuse are not thought of as synonyms, but for the topic teens and drugs, they actually are. Abuse is the excessive use of something, in this case, drugs. The last two searches show additional keywords, issues, and effects that describe the information I am looking for to answer those essential questions we mentioned. Notice that these keywords in the searches are actually straight out of the questions themselves. That's a useful tip and another great way of coming up with good keywords for your searching. Now, let's talk about databases. Databases have many useful features to help you in your research. These features can save you lots of time. Some of these features are full text, which only shows you complete articles, not just abstracts. Sort by relevance, great for reordering our list. Narrow or filter by subject, which gives us just the articles on a particular subject. And narrow or filter by type, that shows us the type of articles, just magazines, for instance, or just newspapers. And that helps with your citations too. You need to know the type of your article in order to create a citation. A new feature of many of the databases is being able to save articles to Google Drive. Of the 6 databases you'll be using, 5 of them have this feature. All the Gale databases, Student Edition, Research in Context, and Gale Virtual Reference Library, our ebook database, as well as SIRS Discoverer and the Facts on File databases. The Database Pathfinder will help you use these features effectively. That is the tan sheet in your research packet that you picked up. So please turn to the tan sheet now and pause this video until everyone is ready to continue. The Database Pathfinder describes each database. You'll see them listed, 1A, 1B, 1C, which are the Gale databases, and then number 2, 3, and 4, EBSCO, Facts on File, and SERS Discoverer. When you choose a database to search, please follow the bulleted or listed steps for that database. One of the steps will tell you how to save your article to Google Drive for that database. In the case of the Gale databases, they all do it the same way, so it's written right down here. For all Gale databases, can save article to Google Drive, and this tells you exactly how to do that. This should be familiar to you as we use this in social studies with researching context database. Also, you will see that for the databases, in parentheses after the name of the database, it tells you what kind of articles you will find in that database. And again, that will be useful to you in helping you create your citation later on. So now, to get started with your database searching, you need to go to the 7th grade Language Arts Teen Issues Guide page that I've created for you. If you haven't already done that, open a tab in your browser now and follow the numbered steps at the top of this tan sheet, right here, 1, 2, and 3. And this will take you to the 7th grade Language Arts Teen Issues Research Guide page. Pause the video now until everyone is on this page. On this web page, you will see a box for each of the 6 databases. In the box is a link to the database, and that's the name, and then the directions for how to search that database. These match the directions on your tan Pathfinder sheet. Begin by choosing one of these databases to search, either based on instructions from your teacher or by starting with a database you are familiar with. Try the sets of keywords you have identified for your research and don't give up too soon on a database. Make sure you try searching with different combinations of keywords, utilizing the strategies we've talked about. Good luck with your research.